Hello everybody, how are you doing? Let's continue on modern JavaScript. In this session, let's take a look at classes. So mainly it's about class syntax. When we create a class, we can use class keyword directly like this. We can create a constructor method there. We can create the public method like this. So we can call that public method after we create the object. So basically, there are some rules. One is the constructor requires new. When you create a class, an object from the class, you have to use new. And all the methods are not enumerable. And class have a default constructor. So the default constructor doesn't have a parameter. Classes always use strict. So even you don't provide use strict here, the class itself inside is strict mode. Let's take a look at this one. We have this class, and we have the constructor, we have a getter and a setter. When we create the object from this class, you can call the getter like this. You also can change the value through the setter. It will give you if the value is not valid, it will give you a warning like this. So let's take a look at class expression. Class expression means the function you are using is going to return you a class like this. So outside, when you get the return to a variable, you have to use the new keyword to create a new object. Then you are able to access the method of that class. You also can define a named class expression here. So inside you can access the class through the name, but outside you cannot. And you can use a new keyword to create a new object through the class expression like this. Then you can call the method of that class. Let's take a look at static methods. We have this class. We have a static method like this. We can directly use the class name. Don't have to create an instance object from the class. We can directly call the static method. It's very useful when we do something like this. We have the sort method for the arrays, but sometimes we want to pass a calculation through this sort method. Then the static method can be used. For this case, we have the constructor for article. For the compare, we have article A and B. We are going to compare the data within the article to determine which one will be the first. Then we can pass this compare method through the sort method of this array object. Then we are able to sort the articles. Another usage for the static method is so-called the factory pattern. We have this article class. Inside we have a method called createToday's. It's going to return the new objects with the title and the date. So it's something like this. Each time we call it, it will give us a new article object. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you next time.